Okay, guys, this is no crank, no start. But anyway, this is C-Mac, man. This is my first time working on a freaking diesel engine. As you can see, I just replaced the starter. So let's get in the car and see if it's gonna start. We got everything on. So we're about to get in there and see if it's gonna start. Batteries are all good. So let's get in this bitch and see what's gonna happen next. Still got the hood open. So you wanna know the funny thing? For gasoline engine, we put a key right here on the right side. But for diesel, you put that shit on the left side. So this is where the key goes. Put it right in there. Turn it. Give it a few minutes. And now I put fire in the hole and see what happens. Woohoo! We got that bitch working, dog. So as you can see, everything is back on. Running all good. Got the bitch running, man. This is first year experience of working on freaking diesel engine. But so far so good, everything is running good. See that right there? That was the problem right there. All right.